Welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to close gaps in Premiere Pro timeline. So here is some footage. Also see have some gaps. Okay. Also, or if you edit the video or cut the footage from here to here, also here. So if you delete some footage, delete some space into here, see that here is the gap. Okay, see both clips have some gaps. So how can you delete this one? You can, an easy way to right click on mouse, ripple delete. Again right click on mouse, ripple delete. You can delete because you can delete this way, or if you have a big project, you have you need to cut the lots of space, so there is easy way to do this one. Just select the full clips, go to the sequence, close gap. Okay, see all gap is closed. All gap is closed. Hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.